super awkward, kitty. Oh, what you doing on it? Basil's bored with it now. Oh, Bear. Hi, Bear. It's your pretty girl. Oh, are you pretty? Oh, this is so pretty. Who else is here? Cheyenne. Who's pretty dog? Huh? Oh, Bear's special. Bear's special. And guess what? Who's jealous? Jelly is. Jelly's the jealous dog. Jelly? Are you jealous? Do you always have to be in the middle of everything? Bear's so pretty and smart. Bear, sit. Want to do a trick? Bear, sit. Bang! Oh, she hits the ground. Okay, up. Okay. Speak. Oh, good dog. Speak. No, say woof. Oh, woof. Give me a woof. There you go. There's a girl. Oh, she's such a nice girl. Does Cheyenne do tricks too? Cheyenne, you want to do tricks? Want to do tricks? Nah, she's old and she's pretty. She doesn't have to do any tricks. Jillibert, do you do tricks? Come here. Come show people your tricks. Sit. No, Bear, stay. Jillibert, sit. Jillibert, sit. Shake. No, don't lay down. Okay. Jillibert's big trick is to be submissive. Who's the cutest? Jelly-Roo, aren't you the cutest? Oh, she's the cutest. Jelly-Roo. Jelly-Roo's the cutest. Bear's, of course, the very cutest. No, just because you did a trick doesn't mean you get to have K-O-O-K-I-E-S, which we have to spell thusly because she's already figured out how to spell C-O-O, huh? Oh, we know what that means. Speak. There's your girl. Okay, cookie time. These are 2 pieces of cookies for everybody. Easy. Okay. And Cheyenne gets a cookie. Easy. Good girl. That's me, baby Jilly. Jilly with your little shaved coat. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, Bear's the cutest.